What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today on A&W Fishing, we are going out to Wheeler Lake and gonna do some bass fishing. It's gonna be a short day today. Probably only have like 3.5, 4 hours in the water. We're gonna get a late start, probably be out there from like 11 to 3, something like that. But yeah, we are about to start getting stuff ready. We're gonna go out and just kind of fish close to the ramp, just junk fish. Probably do a lot of fishing, without live scope today. Just go beat the banks and stuff. But honestly, we may have to do a little bit of scoping because the weather has shifted on us. Last weekend, it was like 70 degrees, sunny, shorts and t-shirt weather. And this week, going forward for the next like week and a half, it is highs in the 40s. And yeah, so high today is like 49 maybe, something like that. And it's only gonna get about the same and colder as the days go on. So yeah, we got highs in the high 40s today. We've had a cold front. It's like the second or third day of it. And yeah, so it's officially wintertime, I think. But fall fishing has basically gone out the window. So yeah, we're going to go out there to Wheeler, see if we can battle this cold front and catch a few bass. All right, guys, we're pulling up to do some more fishing shallow. I'm going to throw a spinnerbait again because I threw that in the last spot and then threw a little bit of an A-rig and a jerkbait, but in that last spot we didn't get bit at. So we're going to go this one rock bank here. I'm going to throw a spinnerbait. We're just going to throw a crank and we'll see what happens. You keep it like a little bit. Or just don't go any further. Got him. Fine. That's exactly right. Okay, go right. Spinnerbait. Nice. Numero dos for the day. Tried him on that Mega Bass SV3. Just a little 1-pounder. Nice. Oh gosh, it's a good one. It's a big smallmouth. It's a big old smallmouth. I don't know. Get them if you can. Oh, nice, hook good. Okay, that's fine. I'll grab him. I got you. Okay. Nice, dude. It's a good smallmouth spot like us. That DG6 to the face on that big old football right there. 3-pounder. Get a picture of him. Let me get a picture first. Right, hold on. Well, I already have the crankbait as well. Whew, guys, that was an adrenaline rush right there. That's a nice smallmouth. Look at that thing. On a DG6, probably a 3-pounder, right? He's so fat and stubby. Goodness gracious. Got one. Yeah, I think so. It's a baby. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at that monster. Sheesh. That was like my 2 casts after I caught that one. Let's see what
on the Minnow scope. 2 in a row. Yeah, he's not keeping these chunking.
Good. Good spot, dude. Yeah. Not bad one. Yeah, is it a mean mouth? I think it's a mean mouth. No, that's a mean mouth. Look at that. Look how. No, it's not. It's rough toe. That is not a small one. Well, it's a mean mouth, 100%. Guys, I just caught my first ever mean mouth. Look at that. You can tell it's like a spotted bass and a smallmouth mixed. He's not good. He's alright. Dude, there's a bunch of fish up there. That's crazy, man. Largemouth, a big old largemouth, dude. Here, I'll get that. You keep fishing. Big largemouth, dude. Big old head. Oh my gosh. Look at that stud. I'm just like in shock. Big old head over here, dude. Dang, dude. That's a 4 something all day. He's just another big one. We'll take it on a jig. Alright guys, this is what they're eating. Just threadfin. See, he's not that small at all. That's like a freeloader size bait fish. Look. Look. Yep. Interesting. Alright. Oh, I do fish. Okay. I got one. Tiny spot on a crank. Get off of there. It wasn't coming off. I didn't even think I had one. Jeez. Tay. Grab it. Look it. You got it. spotted a bass. Alrighty guys, got a baby spot. Alright, spinnerbait time. We are at a different part of the stretch where we caught them on the, we caught like that big smallmouth and then a couple of smaller largemouth on this stretch. It was just a different part of it. So we're gonna fish this part of it and see if they're kind of just spread out through this whole thing or they're in like one concentrated area. But that's what we're gonna try to figure out. So yeah, let's see if we can catch them. You can't use a lure trigger on a crankbait tail, I guess it'll probably break the bill. It's better with like jigs or like stuff with jig heads on. Or like an A-rig. There he is. Smoking. A little largemouth. God, that was a cool bite though. He's not gonna call. He's like a little 12-incher. Little 1 pound largie on a spinnerbait. That was a fun bite though. Golly. See, buddy. Bag out the bag. Got him? Nice. The bass. I don't care, dude. Walk away. Probably flop rod. Look at all those bottom dwellers, bro. Holy cow. I got something. That's a bass. It's a spot. It's a keeper, but it's not a cull. There we go. Scopey dopey. Little spotted dog. See you, bud. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. I mean, we had a good day for only being out here 4 hours. We probably caught 15, 20 fish, something like that. Caught a lot of them power fishing, you know, kind of fishing like my favorite way to fish. And caught a couple on a minnow, but I mean, it's just kind of a given. But anyways, we caught a 3 pound smallmouth and almost 4 pound largemouth. I mean, man, it was a good day. I'm excited. We got a tournament out here in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm hoping that this bite stays good. These bites that we're on, and we had a couple of other areas too that we did not have time to hit that we probably could have caught some fish on. But yeah, I mean, it was a fun day. They're eating good at Wheeler right now, so yeah. Anyways, bite's good. It was an awesome day. I mean, we just caught fish today. Main baits were a little Rapala DT6, a mooch minnow, and caught one on a jig, caught 2 on a spinnerbait, and yeah. But most of our fish came on crank today. But yeah, it was a fun day. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on A&W Fishing.